there's anything that's better than this that is drugstore, let me know in the comment section below. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you guys my skincare routine. I am currently on my late 30s, so I want to share with you guys the products that I'm currently using to help me improve my skin. I did a video 2 years ago on affordable skincare, but now I changed my routine because there was some issues like aging, sunspot, visible pores. This time I have added a retinol in my routine. I'm very excited to share with you guys. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and also don't forget to subscribe. And let's get started. So the first step in my nighttime skincare routine would be the cleansing balm, and right now I'm using the Glow recipe and I'm actually almost out. I probably have like maybe 2 more uses on this. Just the scooper. What I really like about this is that not only it smooths out your skin, I would usually put them here. See, there's still a lot more in there even though it looks empty, but I would get it, lather it all. It smells so good, you guys. Definitely look forward to cleansing my face when it smells good. And even though it has this fruity smell on it, it's really not irritating on my skin. That's why I enjoy it. Usually I have like 2 to 3 layers of sunscreen all throughout the day, including like the hairline. Don't forget that one. Gonna go ahead and rinse my face, and then I'm gonna move on to the next step. So after I rinse my face, I usually just use like this white towel that I got from Amazon. I'm not too sure if this is a microfiber, but it's really soft. It's actually intended to use for babies. It's very gentle on the skin. The next step is my cleanser. This is the Gel Matinee Cleanser, and this is from Jordan Samuel. I'm just gonna put a little bit here. I don't know if you can notice, it's a gel-like, water soluble, and it is non-foaming. So this one has chamomile, cucumber, that is great for soothing the skin. So all you gotta do is just rub it all over your face in the areas that you are congested, usually on my nose. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse. The next step I do is my retinol, and I'm currently using the SkinCeutical. I'm currently using the 0.5. Before this, I was on 0.3, which is here. I've already finished it. It's done. There's a little bit of leftover here, which I have been using on my hand, because I also do put retinol on my hand. So if you guys, okay, just a tip, make sure you put retinol on your hands too. When you put some on your face, put some on your hands too every single time, and that way they both get the benefit of anti-aging. So what I like about this is that this is in a stabilized container, which means that the efficacy of this product will not be compromised because this container is stabilized. So it's gonna be, you know, even if you have it for like 2-3 months, it's still going to be just effective. I find this kind of pricey because it's like, I believe, $70-some. But just keep in mind that this takes me about 3 to 4 months to go through this entire container. You will not be able to use this every day because depending on how sensitive your skin is, you won't be able to use it every day. You would have to build it up depending on your tolerance. Me, I personally can only tolerate this between 3, sometimes 4 times a week, and the other 2 exfoliate 1 time a week. But I made a mistake of using this in my neck and it was bad, you guys. I cannot use this in my neck because, you know, it's just so sensitive that a couple of times that I put it in my neck, I was just inflamed. It was so irritated, it was so itchy for a whole entire week. My neck was so red. I was so embarrassed to go in public. I have been using retinol for the past 6 months now, and I really like this. Once I finish with this, I will be upgrading to the 0.7, I believe. I don't know, I'm not sure, but there's 3 levels, 0.3, 0.5, and then I think that's 0.7. And then after that, after I am done, I went through all these 3 steps. I am actually considering finally going through using a prescription retinol, which that's probably not gonna happen until next year, so we'll have to see. I'll definitely share with you guys my journey with that. But yeah, if you are a beginner, I highly recommend this. It is worth every penny that you're gonna spend. If there is one product in my skincare routine that I would highly recommend for the nighttime, this one right here, guys. Number 1, you will not regret it. I can 100% guarantee you will love this and you will thank me later. Also, when using this retinol, so this is how it looks. This is the lid. So you only need to put a little bit. You don't have to put a lot. Like I am literally putting just half the pea size. That's actually half because I have to spread it all over my face. So I put a little bit there, there, and I also put here and a little bit on my nose and close it. And then I would just kind of rub the product just like that. After the retinol, the next step is applying my cream, and I'm currently using the Paula's Choice Omega+Complex Moisturizer. And what I like about this moisturizer is that it's like a cloud-like cream. Just gonna use it. Just gonna look on the camera, you guys. And it has fatty acids, omega-3, 6, and 9. Contains fatty acids that are great for restoring your skin barrier. I really like how it instantly moisturizes my skin. The retinol dries my skin so bad, and this Omega Plus helps that counteract the retinol. After the moisturizing cream, I would follow it up with my ROCHE Cica Plus Balm. This is a multi-purpose cream. This, you guys, I will not be able to survive without this. This is the best among the rest. I don't care. I mean, if there's anything that's better than this that is drugstore, let me know in the comment section below. But this, you guys, this is the best. Like, I'm not being dramatic. Try it. Just try it one time. And this is not sponsored. They did not pay me to say good things about this, but this, you guys, I cannot emphasize how good this is. Like, it is seriously the best multi-purpose cream drugstore. So as you can see, you know, it's already almost gone, but I would just, you don't need a lot of this. It is a very thick cream. Just get a little bit, maybe that much, and then you just put it in there. Get a little bit more, a little bit on my forehead, a little bit goes a long way. It is so creamy, it's thick, very moisturizing, and it just helps lock all of the product that I just applied on my face. Instantly brightens your skin. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, you guys, I highly recommend this. This is a drugstore. You can buy them at Target, Walgreens, CVS, anywhere. Just try it. After my multi-purpose cream, I would follow it up with a little bit of CERAVE. This is just a petroleum jelly that has ceramides. I know you guys are familiar with CERAVE, but I would just get a little bit of this and just a tiny bit on my forehead, my cheeks, and then my chin. And it just helps my skin to, when I wake up in the next morning, that it's not so dry and flaky. When you wake up, your skin absorbs all the products that you just put. The next day you woke up glowy, refreshed, hydrated, and not crusty. So yeah, that is my skincare routine, you guys. I'm in my late 30s and this is my routine. I want to know, what is your skincare? If there's any holy grail products you currently use, whether it's high-end or whether it's drugstore, please share it on the comment below, and that way other people can see it too. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!